What's good, everyone? What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the vlogs. You might be noticing it a little bit different, something a little different with the camera.
0.5.
Yeah, we're in 0.5 mode now, guys, but we're on the Sony, and luckily I was able to get a new lens, and I get this cool wide angle view. How sick is this? Not only is it wide, but we could film at night. Oh, well, Steven's here.
Get it. My bad.
Not only is it wider, but I could film at night now, and the lighting's good. Look who came. Stevenson.
Hello. Ah.
I literally could keep it like this close and we're still fine. Look how close, I'm like literally on the camera. The main reason why I got this lens is because I want to try to not use this as often. And obviously with the other lens, I had to like really stick my hand out like this far just to get a good angle. But now that it's wider, I don't gotta try so hard. Woo! Steven, peep this lens, bro. Look how wide it is.
Wait, oh my. But it looks so short.
Yeah, it's shorter and it's lighter.
And it's lighter.
But the only thing is, it's a prime lens, so it doesn't zoom. I
Oh
wanna.
my God. We're twins.
You could go over the speed bumps down there, right?
Yeah.
I'm so.
Do you think he could
afraid.
clear it? Check how low he is.
Fucking scared.
You're taller than me. You're higher than me.
Okay.
You should be able to clear it, man.
Fuck, man. If I scrape, it's skill issue.
Yeah, no, really. Garren, can I sit in your seat? I want to see how high it is now. So this is literally like the day after I raised the seat, and we're hanging out. It's still fucking low, dude. Oh, dude. I could see out of here pretty well. I mean, I feel like I'm in my car, not gonna lie.
This is the same height as mine.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Fitment.
Hey, man.
This is some tucked fitment right here.
Dude.
This is Stance Nation 2017. Hey, at least you're low.
Do you think he should raise his car?
I think so, purely just to show off that he has a meaty tire setup. Like maybe.
That is true.
Maybe like a quarter of an inch or less.
God damn, bro, he's smoking.
Sorry, my bad.
Would you be willing to raise your car, Gar?
No.
For the sake of your.
It looks so good.
For the sake of your bumper.
I'm just gonna not drive the car.
What the fuck?
What if something happens on the 57 like it did last time?
Insert
Don't say
photo
that.
here.
Insert photo right here.
Shut up. No, my seat's raised now. Full confidence.
This is so nice, guys. Oh my gosh. I could film at nighttime now. God.
Our cars look so good
Shit's
together.
so good.
This is the if you want to be me. I don't know why anyone would want to be me. But
I don't wanna be
brulee.
him.
No. Oreo brulee, boba milk, regular ice, fresh milk. Actually no, I get oat milk.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
This shit about to be like an $11 drink, damn it,
Yeah.
with all the add-ons.
I don't get boba. I don't like that. I don't like boba. Yeah, and then add to order.
I just got a what is this? Peach oolong milk tea, white peach oolong. What did you get, babe?
The best drink, jasmine tea.
Jasmine tea, huh? If you guys don't know where we are, we're at Diamond Jamboree. This is like the hot spot for
Yeah, you literally are like
Asian Americans in SoCal. If you're here,
It's so scary.
there could be a good chance you might see me here.
It's really low.
Kind of funny. We are all moving our cars down, and Steven's letting me whip his car. So this is gonna be interesting. Jazz is already in there. How cool. Let's drink this. Oh. Oh my God.
Oh, I forgot he had this.
Oh yeah, look at this, guys. Mr.
there-
Ballerific.
Under the stars.
Look at the dash. Look at the lights in here. Huh? How I look? Let's go. Oh. I don't know. Hey, his car might make a little bit of funny noises. Oh.
Wait.
Oh my God. Oh, this car's like Loki hella movie. Oh wow, he fixed the tune on this thing. It doesn't spool quick. You probably have to get like really into the rev range for it to spool. Look at that shit. Look, babe, look, point at that. Motherfucker's tweaking out. I think we're overheating right now. Wow, look at my car though. Hold on. That motherfucker kind of look kind of nice. Hey, you look good in that, Steven. Car. Hold on, Steven. I don't know, y'all tell me. Do I fit this shit?
Quite proper.
Look at these big ballers, man. Must be freaking nice. Mr. Varys twins over here. How do you feel, Garren? You're back outside.
I know, right? It's so different. It's actually like, I don't know how to describe it. It's definitely a different feeling.
Feels good though, don't it?
It do feel good, yeah.
Today. But it's gone now.
Bro's automotive performative right now.
Car guy performative right here.
Here you go, King.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Go sit on your car and start reading, bro.
Yeah.
Reading some feminist literature.
Dude, you should get on this.
What do you think of the wing, babe?
Sell it to you.
It looks really nice. I actually really like it.
Would you
Don't
get something
lie.
like this if you got one?
Yeah.
Looks like
Right?
ass.
Absolutely.
Here's a
That
better
looks the goat,
angle
bro.
of the
Huh?
That
wing.
looks the goat, bro.
Let us know what you think.
Yeah.
Thing looks really good, I can't lie. Really freaking well.
Oh my God.
Look at that shit. Oh my god.
I want
Cadet hat. LA Fashion MF. Matcha. Wired headphones. Performative book. Salvage denim. SoCal Asian.
Spamming all the fucking
Buzzword. Yeah. Hashtag.
Never content sticker. Shout out Helen, by the way. He added an Attack Max. Shout out Paris, by the way. I can't zoom in, guys, but you have to believe me. It's in there. It's in there. He's back in the game, guys. Literally, Garren was like in and out. I think the last time he was like for real in the game was when me and Kay installed his Broadways, and that was like
Years ago.
2-3 years ago, man.
Yeah.
But Garren's back, and his car is actually better than it's ever been. No, like it's ever been.
Peak.
No, genuinely. That's why you have to be careful, man.
I know. I'm so
guys.
fucking scared.
Hey guys, comment down below. Should Garren raise his car?
No.
We need yes. Be honest, guys. Come on. This is how low he is. Let's.
I'm not even that low. It's just kid low. It's kid
What
low.
are you talking about? What do you guys think, guys? Should Garren raise his
14K,
car?
Discontinued lit, by the way. Never made ever again.
Guys, put in the comments down below. Should Garren raise his car? Do you think he should raise his car?
Nah, I should lower it more.
This guy just wants to see my downfall.
Driving a PC, dude.
This is my Asus ROG, you know, Republic of Gamers.
Yeah, bro. Bro got a whole ass PC driving. Race car? No.
gaming.
PC.
What
What the fuck? Alright guys, we changed locations. Look at where we are. Damn, dude, this lens is fucking crazy, man. I can get myself in here and the background with all the cars. That's insane, bro. It this shit in all of its glory, man. You gotta be for real.
Oh, we're so back. 16:9, right? Is that for Instagram?
Yeah. Always shoot in 16:9. You want method?
Yeah. Help me.
Guys, I'm gonna show you guys a master class on how to make the best photos for your Instagram feed. What I like doing, you see this right here? I like centering it, setting the car like this. Sometimes I actually like flipping the phone upside down. And then you kind of angle, I know. I lower it upside down like this, and I kind of tilt the camera back a little bit so it gives it that cool perspective. I like to center the car like smack dab in the middle like this. And then I tilt it up. You see that yellow line at the bottom, guys? I tilt it so it disappears. Make sure the car is centered in the camera, and then you click. Oh shit. Favorite angle as well. Get a little close so we cut out Steven's car so it's just his car. Or turn a little bit to the left. Boom. I just showed you guys my 3 favorite angles. Front 3/4, straight side shot, and then you got the back 3/4. That's how it goes. I'm giving y'all game right now. If you guys want better car photos, that's exactly what you do. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get Instagram pictures and Hinge photos for Steven. Hello everyone, if you're seeing this, it's probably because I didn't film an outro. Per usual. I just wanted to come here and say thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Also wanted to come on here just to give you guys a little bit of an update of what to expect from now on. I can't believe it's already the 9th video in to these 25 days of Vlogmas. I still can't even believe that I'm actually doing this whole thing. Since it's final season in my school, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to manage posting these videos along with studying. It takes on average 3 to 5 hours to get a video edited and uploaded all within the same time span. And I usually do that at night. And obviously if it takes that long, it kind of takes away all the time that I could be using to studying for my exams. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, I haven't even started studying at all. I start finals, I believe, next Monday, so a week from today. Yet again, guys, I'm not saying that I'm gonna give up. I'm gonna be trying my best to get these videos out as often as I can. Really, after the 18th, I'll be free to upload. It's just right now with this week and next week, I low-key need to actually like lock in with exams and everything. Also, I already know I already mentioned this throughout the whole video, but tell me guys what you guys think about the lens. I love it. I've literally been waiting to pull the trigger on getting this lens, and I'm so glad I did. Like, literally it's perfect. Like me and Jazz are studying right now. Really perfect, and I honestly don't think I'll have the need to whip this out anytime soon because look how wide this is. Before it used to be super punched in, but we got everything behind me now. So, and for those who are also in college right now and it is final seasons for you guys, I wish you the best. We're really all in this together, guys. We all got this. Light work. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow.